Shout out to Dr. Bathtub. Yeah, so. Yo, that better go on your channel.
It will. I'll be violating you.
Oh, fuck. Oh, this is called child porn, friend.
How old are you? I'm 14.
What the fuck? What the fuck? Still child porn. Two underage people.
But that's not technically child porn.
Yeah, it is.
I bleep it out.
Okay, so you're just gonna have just like a major, just like.
No, when I say I'm 15, just put the voiceover 27.
No, good. I'm 27, nigga.
You can't tell if they were in a mask.
Sorry, Tim. Kay! Kay!
No gun.
My birthday. I want to see someone.
Yeah, you start.
Kay!
Put it on the floor and have run for it.
No, it's his birthday, Joe.
Oh, good point, good point. Good point.
Kay!
Sorry, loaded.
Okay, game starts in 3.
No.
Alright, guys, so you got 10 seconds to run,
You want to go that right?
alright?
Hey,
And
can I
then
borrow
I say
that?
you
No.
three, and then
sure?
if you get shot, you
I
stand
gotta
where you
scoot
are,
over.
he gives you the gun, and then you got 10 seconds.
Tim, please.
Aim for the center of the
Please, Tim.
Everyone got it?
Yes.
Cool. So, 10 seconds, go.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Go!
I know someone's back here. I got you? Yeah. Oh, fuck. Get Joe. Fuck you. Papa. Marco. You guys have tactical rattles.
Huh?
You guys have tactical rattles.
Right behind me.
Joe has it. Joe.
Don't hurt yourself. Don't hurt each other.
What the fuck was that? Run! I'm gonna fuck you over! Peppa! Shit! You got me! Peppa, you got me!
Hey, don't shoot me right off the bat, please.
Yeah, you got 10 seconds.
Just a wave jam.
No, doesn't count. So.
Throw it back on.
Really? Do you have a doctorate in shotgunology?
Yeah.
Study of 12 gauge?
Yes.
I don't.
Thank you. Who's it?
Shoot that one and you make a nice hat out of the hat.
I know, right? Tim, come out and play.
Don't fucking shoot me. Okay.
No, I'm Tim. Oh, Tim. Oh, Tim. Come out and play.
I never get to be it.
Good.
Damn it. Where did you drop the top of the site?
I don't know. So,
I was looking through that window if you want. I was gonna shoot him because it's his birthday.
fuck you! Run, fat boy! Run! Take two! Ah, shit!
Hang on.
Game over?
No,
Keep going.
you shot me in the finger.
Game's still on.
There you go.
Please don't shoot me straight away.
You gotta wait 10 seconds.
Welcome to my cart, you foul demon! Oh shit! Stay fuck away from me! Fuck boy! Fuck boy! Yo, you're my meat shield.
Alright. I'm just gonna go like this. Help! Help! I'm being oppressed! Help me! I'm in control now!
I'm sorry.
Happy birthday!
Ah, shit!
Dude! You could, like, get a job as, like, a tactical clown. Dude! You know how they have, like, specialty clowns? Like, they have, like, scuba diving clowns?
Yeah.
And, like, skydiving clowns? He could be, like, a tactical clown. When you do that for a living, you wear makeup, and you wear people's clothes.
Oh shit.
No, Matrix, nigga! have your pistol out.
He shot me. So I could ask the same question with him. Yep.
Can I see the pistol? Thanks, you're disarmed.
Fuck you.
Ah! Tim! It's ready for... I'm your meat shield.
Can I get that back to you?
Why would I shoot you right in the balls?
No. Fuck.
So, drop it!
Put your gun away.
Run! Run.
Everyone, put it down. Good, can I see your gun? I won't shoot it. I want to be an operator. How about the attackers? Okay. Ready? Oh my god. Hi, my name is Booney. We're loading!
Tim's hit. Does anybody have a spare 1911 bag?
Nope.
Probably start running.
This is a fun watch for me. You're bugging.
Yo.